Thank you. Time for Code Red weather. We have been talking, Katie and I just were off camera. We were both awake till well into the early morning hours. And not long after we went to sleep.
It's the hazard of working night shift, by the way.
I know. And I guess not long after we went to sleep is when it really sort of achieved critical mass and so many people started to lose power.
Yeah, and I remember hearing the rain coming down and knowing temperatures were well below freezing and knowing that this was going to turn south fast. The majority of this system, again, is out of the area here. We're left with a few flurries, maybe a little light drizzle. It may add a little bit of a glaze to things, but it's not going to create any accumulating snow. This is a look at the last 12 hours, and really when the power outages started to pile up, rain began about 1, 2 o'clock and really began to pick up after that. So as we were more to the 4, 5 a.m. hour, that is when we accumulated enough ice that power outages just started to soar here. And Davidson County really continues to find quite a bit of customers that are still without power. That's real bad news given the fact that our temperatures aren't going to rebound. A little interesting here, we don't see it as often where we get so cold and then we stay cold. That will be the case for Monday. Tuesday, we're under an extreme cold warning. So tomorrow we're in the advisory, Tuesday we're one step below that. An extreme cold warning meaning that we are looking at wind chills as low as 10 below for the very early morning hours. Something else that might be interesting over the next few days are ice quakes. That's the thing. After a rain or an ice, and we had a lot of water, that water will get absorbed into the ground. And extreme cold will actually freeze that water underground and can create loud booms or shakes, which would be an ice quake. So if you hear booms and shakes out there, may be an ice quake due to how cold the ground is. And you can see here there really is no relief from the cold anytime soon.